Now let's deal with this word submission. It takes mutual submission to create healthy relationships. Submission's it's a tough word to deal with. It's a tricky subject. Even for Paul, Paul knew this. It was tricky for him too back in the day when he originally wrote this. Culturally, he wrote during a time in the first century where there wasn't much value placed on women. Women didn't have a lot of rights. It was a very hierarchical society, and even in marriages. And so the time that Paul is writing this, his words here about mutual submission are countercultural in this day and age. He's pushing the envelope as to what it is to live out our relationships in light of the love of Jesus. He emphasized mutuality over hierarchy by saying the pattern of Christian relationships is mutual submission. So that's the point that we've got to understand today. When it comes to submission, we're talking about both submitting to one another and functioning in the God-designed role that Paul describes.